Today I'm going to be making my last DIY birdhouse ornament, and I decided to go with a winter theme for this one. Just as a reminder, these birdhouses come from Amazon and they do not come painted, but I've gone ahead and painted this one a nice light blue and white using my Americana craft paint, and I've decided to combine the last two birdhouses that I did. One was gingerbread themed and one was woodland themed. So to tie in a gingerbread themed idea, I did these diagonal lines using my silver metallic POSCA paint pen. It reminded me of icing that you see on top of gingerbread houses, and I just did this checkerboard pattern on the top. Then to combine the woodland themed idea, I decided to add just a bunch of different styles of Christmas greenery, except it all has a white and silver theme to it. So lots of glitter, lots of sparkle, some flocking, some little snowballs, things like that. And I started just by layering the tallest things in the back and working my way towards the front with a variety of different things. I also used this bottlebrush tree, which was something else I had on the gingerbread house one. And I cut off the back of it and removed the stem at the bottom so it would fit on that little ledge of the birdhouse. And it was just a nice little added 3D touch to the front. And what I loved about these projects and the woodland birdhouse was that I just kind of went with it. There wasn't a lot of planning. There wasn't a lot of stress of, ooh, does this look perfect? Should I add this? Should I not add this? Because it's just something from nature. It's just something natural. I did think about adding these little snowballs to the front, but they just looked too big and out of place. So I went with some greenery that actually had some more 3D little snowballs attached to it, and I thought that that looked fine as well. So again on the back, just starting with the largest things and then working my way towards the front with a variety of shapes and sizes. And I just think it turned out so nice. It's really nice to just sometimes go for it, not plan out every single thing, and just have fun creating by layering different objects. Recently I finished all my woodland ones, and they're so fun and easy to do. I'm definitely looking forward to finishing all of these winter ones once I get around and have time to do all of them. I'm making 4 of each of the themes, so it does take a while to finish the whole set, but definitely been a fun project to do. And what I love about this birdhouse is that it's not just for Christmas. You can put it out as soon as you put out your Christmas decorations and keep it out all the way through January, February, maybe even March, depending on where you live, because it's a winter themed ornament. Now for the sides, I wanted to do something a little bit different. On the last two, I put a window, but for this one, I put this nice large 3D snowflake on both sides. And I was kind of debating on what should I do around the edges. It looked a little bit empty. So to tie in some more of that silver POSCA pen, I did just this kind of pine needle look on the sides of both. And I also framed the snowflake with a few polka dots surrounding it. I thought it just added a little bit of silver to the sides because there was some silver on the rooftop. And no video could be complete lately without my puffy paint because I am just enjoying it so much. So I added some puffy paint around the bottom of all the greenery stems just to hide where it was kind of awkwardly attaching to the board. And then I also put a little bit of snow down the sides underneath that snowflake. And on the rooftop, I thought that the puffy paint would tie in a little bit of that gingerbread theme because it looks a lot like icing. So I put a little tiny dot of puffy paint in every single corner of the diamonds. And of course, I'm then going to add my diamond dust to give it a little bit of sparkle. So I always put it on top of a tray or a lid or a box of some sort to catch all the excess, and I just sprinkle away, and it's so pretty. It's so nice and sparkly, and it really does a good job of sticking. There's really very little mess. It's not like normal glitter that just will not come off your hands. It's really easy to clean up. I also put the diamond dust around the bottom where I had put the puffy paint around the edges underneath all the greenery to add that little sparkle to that. And don't forget that there are 2 other videos with the other themes for these birdhouses, so if you're interested in watching them, they are under my DIY Christmas ornament playlist, so you can find all 3 videos there. And here is the finished winter themed birdhouse. I definitely love it. I'm going to show you the other 2 at the end of this video, and you'll definitely have to tell me which one's your favorite in the comments down below. I love these colors because it's so different to what I normally do. I'm really into the red and green, so I love that this is a nice light white and blue. Definitely screams winter to me, and I think it's a perfect ornament to keep out all winter long. So from left to right, there is the woodland birdhouse, the winter birdhouse, and the gingerbread themed birdhouse. So again, tell me in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.